If you want to kick off your mornings with a burst of energy and stay vibrant for a healthy life, this powerhouse is perfect for you. Yes, this elixir is pomegranate juice, a natural, organic, healthy treat straight from nature. Backed by scientific data, I'll share the top 5 most powerful benefits for your body. And at the end, I'll give you the easiest juicing recipe. Ready? Let's get started. First off, pomegranate juice's biggest weapon is its antioxidants. These tiny red seeds are packed with compounds like punicalagin and ellagic acid that shield our bodies from free radicals. According to one study, drinking pomegranate juice reduces oxidative stress and supports overall cell health. In other words, it's a game changer for slowing down aging. Your skin will look brighter and more youthful. Now, on to the heart. When it comes to heart health, pomegranate juice is like a protective shield. Research shows that regular consumption guards LDL cholesterol from oxidation and cuts down oxidative stress in artery walls. Another study says its antioxidants clean out the arteries, lowering the risk of heart disease. If you have a stressful life like me, this could be your lifesaver. Show your heart some love with pomegranate juice. And let's talk blood pressure, especially if you deal with high blood pressure. Listen up. Scientific evidence proves pomegranate juice naturally lowers blood pressure. Even a meta-analysis clearly backs this effect. Start with 1 glass a day and feel the difference. My doctor even gave it the thumbs up. But of course, it's no substitute for medical advice. Time to boost our immune system. Pomegranate juice amps up our resistance to infections with its anti-inflammatory properties. Studies show it reduces inflammation, supports immune cells, and even puts the brakes on chronic inflammation. Don't let it out of your sight during cold and flu season. I add it to my breakfast and haven't caught a bug yet. Finally, the most exciting part, its potential for cancer prevention. Pomegranate juice's anticarcinogenic effects are promising, especially for prostate and breast cancers. A review points out how its antioxidants block cell mutations. Of course, it's no miracle cure, but it's fantastic support as part of a healthy diet. Friends, as you can see, pomegranate juice isn't just delicious. It's got solid science behind it. But now it's time to deliver on that promise. Here's the easiest way to juice a pomegranate. Ingredients: 1 medium pomegranate and 1 knife. First, gently press and massage the pomegranate with your thumb all over to soften it up. This way, the juice loosens inside. Do this across the whole fruit. Don't press too hard so it doesn't burst. As you lightly squeeze, you'll hear the sounds inside and feel the juice pooling. Once it's nice and soft, place a glass underneath before poking it with the knife. Because as soon as you do, the juice will flow right out. Poke it on the side closest to the glass so nothing splashes around. But fair warning, this method takes a little practice. I still end up with a few drops on the counter. Then, keep pressing to squeeze the juice into the glass. It'll keep going until the juice runs out and the skin tears. With this simple trick, you can start your day with a glass of fresh pomegranate juice on an empty stomach. Try it as a 2-week cure during the season. If the flavor feels too intense, just mix it with water. If you've watched this far and love these kinds of videos, Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you don't miss our new recipes. See you in the next one. Take care and stay as red and vibrant as a pomegranate.